Welcome to Whiton Hall, shared living experience 1 block from the Commons. Every tenant in Whiton Hall has their own private bedroom, and there are communal bathrooms and a communal kitchen and lounge area on each floor. Today we're going to see apartment 102, a ground floor room right next to the front door. Let's head on in. Every room in Whiton Hall comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, and a desk and desk chair. Each room also has a mini refrigerator and a microwave for your convenience. Room 102 has high ceilings and large windows that let in lots of natural light, even on a cloudy day. One unique feature of Whiton Hall is our intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Lastly is the closet. A large closet that offers plenty of storage. Rent for Whiton Hall includes all utilities: heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Laundry facilities and bike storage are available in the basement. Thank you for coming to Whiton Hall 102. Call us today for availability.